is a 26-inch Smith Wesson. You can unscrew the cap. The retainer clip goes into the middle one, to the end one, like that. It doesn't go into the end one. So when it's retracted, this is what holds the thing in so it doesn't fall apart. When you put this back in, you got to make sure that you put it in on the thread side. If you put it on the other side, it gets stuck and basically you can't get it open. So I'm putting it back in the thread side, screw the thing up back. It's loose, like stick it in there, and so it's catching the bottom one. Now to close it, this is opened really hard. I go above my head, hold it between my thumb and my other fingers, and I go down fast. Super easy. Yeah, this is opened hard. Demonstrate again.